Here we are for the Rats season roundup. I'm here with Ron Backer and Madison Backer, a new addition to the Rats family.
Say hello, Maddie.
Maddie says hello. Today what we're going to go over is we've had a bit of time off for the Rats, and basically we want to talk about what we've been doing with that time off. First off, Coach Mumbles was recently seen walking through the Nevada desert with Steve Fawcett. Other than that, he hasn't been seen for quite some time, but we think he's coming back. We're not sure when their trip ends. We've created a website, SingaporeRats.com, so go and check that out. And then, of course, the Mets. The Mets have bombed out of the playoffs. Sorry, Ron.
Don't mention about the Mets.
So that's what's been happening.
Tough season.
They'll be playing golf soon with their time off. We've got an upcoming game, Ron. What's going to happen?
Well, we have a game this Sunday. It was October 7, 3:30 against the Guzzlers, who are, I believe, in first place. So we should bring our A game. And batting practice will start at 3 o'clock. So everyone be there.
Rats with bats. We've also, of course, everyone's looking forward to the Bangkok tournament, which is November 16th, right, Ron?
16th, 17th, 18th. At least that weekend.
That weekend, plus the Thursday night, which we all look forward to. I know Mr. Backer has to maybe take off a day early, but he's going to do everything he can to be there. So start making your flight plans, and the dog will have details coming out soon. I think that's pretty much it for this roundup. Anything more to talk about?
Well, Madison, you have anything to say? Well, Maddie and I have been working on some hitting, switch hitting. And I think in about a month's time, she'll be able to out-hit Bill.
That's
Isn't
interesting.
that right, Bill?
Ron Backer's daughter, a switch hitter. We'll talk later.